Hi, my name is Marian Elliott, and I warmly want to invite you to February 10th, our Valentine's special Couples Day workshop. Valentine's Day is a great reason to take some time out for yourself and your partner. We are running a massage workshop, but being a Tantra school, we incorporate consciousness into the work. So it's not just going to be deeply relaxing and beautiful and sensual, but we also want to explore each other and understand each other better, the different muscles, why they might be tense or why they might be longing for more touch. So it's a wonderful day to become more closer connected to your partner, to reignite that spark again that comes from real intimacy and having spaciousness and time for each other to just enjoy each other's company, but also going that little bit deeper. So this workshop includes lunch, and if you want to have more information, just go to our website tasteoflove.com.au into the event section and book in there. Thank you.